cotton seed oil. Cotton seed of the cotton we are using to extract the or to express the oil, right? From there also we are getting oil. That oil can be useful for the medicinal and pharmaceutical formulation purpose, right? So that's what let us discuss the plant details about the cotton plant. And if you see the biological source, this cotton seed oil is a refined fixed oil, right? Remember, it is the refined fixed oil obtained by expression of seeds. Since it is cotton seed, so expression of the seeds we have to remove from the cotton, and then we are going subjecting it for the expression to get the fixed oil, that seeds of Gossypium herbaceum lin, right? Gossypium herbaceum lin, belonging to the family Malvaceae, right? So it is belonging from Malvaceae family in hydraulic and other press. It may be the hydraulic press or it may be the other press, any may. In all the oil we are applying the cold expression we are doing. We are not applying heat. We are just pressing them at the specific press per square ton area, right? So after pressing hydraulic press or in other press, this from these seeds we are getting the oil that is known as cotton seed oil. If you trying to prepare that one, how we are going to prepare that? The cotton seed, after the gaining of the fibers, right? So the fibers which we are using for the filtration, absorbent, and so many other dressing, bandage, and in surgical and hospitals it is being used. Without cotton we cannot imagine any single clinic also, right? So that's what in injection and many purpose. So the fibers, this is the cotton fibers we have to remove, and is decorticated and cleaned of hulls, right? The kernels are steamed and pressed at about 100 and 500 100 1500 lb pressure to yield about 30% of oil, which is turbid and reddish in color, which is turbid and reddish in color. It is refined by filtering, decolorizing, and winter chilling, right? Which removes the stearine. Stearine will be there, that has to be removed. That's what, then only it will be considered as a refined cottonseed oil. So that's what the filtration, decolorization, whatever the color it is there, that we need. There is also process. Then the winter chilling also we need to do. Then we have to remove the ultimately the stearine, and it will become refined cottonseed oil. If you see the characteristic of the obtained oil, it looks like the crude oil is the amber to deep red color. I am talking amber to deep red or black in color, with a characteristic odor. The specific gravity of this oil, it is 0.92, and saponification value it is going to be 192 to 200, iodine value 100 to 115, and unsaponifiable matter 0.6 to 2.0%. Refined cottonseed oil is pale yellow in color, right? Whichever refined one, that is going to be pale yellow, not in amber to deep red. Okay, with a bland nutty taste. The taste it is also going to brand nutty taste, whatever so nearly odorless because it has been refined, so odor will not be there, or any aroma or any smell will not be there. The oil is a semi-drying substance. Yes, it comes under the semi-drying. On cooling, a sediment of olein or liquid glycerides separates and separate out, which may be collected by the filtration in the cooled condition. The filtration has to be done in the cool condition. Then we will be able to separate the olein and the liquid glycerides. When used to adulterate other oils, its presence may be detected by the test for semi-drying. Whatever the test it is there for the semi-drying oil, if it will be there, it will be automatically indicating, or it can be detected, right? So that is the thing we need to take care. Cottonseed oil is graded on the basis of its acidity, refining loses flavor. Okay, refined oil it is graded according to their color, odor, and flavor or taste or aroma. chemical constants, that's important, that's what we have to study, what is there in that cottonseed oil, that's what we are using. So since we have seen in the previous oils also, the important constants of the glycerides of cottonseed oil are linoleic, very common, we are getting in almost all. Linoleic 45 to 50%, oleic 23 to 29%, palmitic 20 to 33%, myristic 1.5 to 3.5%, stearic 1.1 to 2.7%, and arachidic acid 1.0%. The glycerides present in palmito oleolinolene 35 to 40%, then palmito diolene 20%, and a trioleur or lino disaturated 12 to 13%. The unsaponifiable fractions contains beta-cetoesterol, ergosterol, vitamin E, and tocopherol. Right. The phosphatides present are lecithin 29% and cephalin 71%. The apart from this, the minor constituents which will also be there present into the oil are the free fatty acid, the 0.3 to 0.5%. Then gossipol, it is name of the one constituents, that will be also 0.05%, since it is gossipium genus, that's what name has been given, gossipol. Then raffinose, pentosane, resins, wax, pentasose, the pentone, and phospholipids, then inosite phosphates, then fortistyrolene, xanthophyll, chlorophyll, and the mucilage substance also will be there in the minor quantity. If you talk about the use, what are the application of this oil? Cottonseed oil, it is used as a solvent for the injection and for the edible purpose, right? So solvent for injection, so many injection it required a solvent, and this oil can be used as a solvent to dissolve the drug content for the injection in parental route. The oil possesses emollient properties and is used in liniments and in several pharmaceutical preparations as a substitute of olive oil also can be used, and in the large dose as lubricant cathartics, right? Cathartics, right? In that can be used. Low grade oil, it is used in the manufacture of soaps, lubricants, then sulfonated oils, and protective coatings, right? So we can see here the pharmaceutical preparation also it is having use, and in for the medical also solvent for injection edible purpose, and it is also having the so many other use like preparation of lubricants and the sophisticated oil, then protective coatings, and different types of soap, bathing soap, and washing cloth soaps, right? So this is the cotton, it is very much important for our medical purpose, and its seed also, whatever the oil we are getting, that is also having the so many medicinal and pharmaceutical importance, right? So that's what cottonseed oil should be the part of your answer in oil containing drug or lipid containing crude drugs.